Hi guys and welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to restore Snapchat streaks. So if you're interested to this kind of videos, make sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for you to get updated for upcoming videos just like this. So sometimes Snapchat creates an error that you are gonna lose your snap streaks. So you want to restore your snap streaks. This is how you can do it. First is you need to open your Snapchat. Click your profile picture at the top left corner. You see the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. That is the settings icon. Click that one. And then you just need to scroll down a little bit. And there you will find the support section. Click I need help. And once you're there, you just need to search for Snapstreak, or you can just click that one in the middle. I lost my Snapstreak. So when you're there, you're gonna see I lost my Snapstreak. How do I restore it? So what you need to do is click the link here, the here link that is highlighted. Just click that one and you will be headed to the Snapchat support page. And then you will need to see the articles here. Make sure that you are clicking the I lost my Snapchat here. And then what you need to do is how do I restore my snap streaks? And input your username, your email, your mobile number. Basically, you just need to fill in all of these in the boxes. And once you're done filling all of these, you need to make sure that you click. Did you see the R button or the R glass? Just click no. And in here in the description, you will be able to input the summary or the right words that you want to need help from Snapchat. So once you're done with that, just click submit and you will see some reCAPTCHA. And basically, after 2 to 3 days, Snapchat will reply to you a resolution through the email that you included here on the boxes that you filled into earlier. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure to click the like and subscribe button. See you on the next one.